Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to quickly show you how we can efficiently promote a Clickbank product using Microsoft Bing ads. Okay, I mentioned efficiently because we want to at least utilize our budget as much as possible. Like for example, we only have $20 budget per day and we want to promote something generic that will only cost us like below 20 cents a click. Okay, in that way, let's say you have 20 cents a click, and if you are going to send 100 visitors to that campaign, you will only spend $20. Okay, and in that campaign, I don't think you won't be able to make a sale. At least one in those 100 visitors, one will purchase the Clickbank product. So I'm going to show you how you can search for a generic Clickbank product that we can promote using a very low cost per click in Microsoft Bing ads. So let's say, for example, I want to promote a product related to food. So I'm going to type here food, then click on get suggestion. So I'm using a Microsoft Bing ads keyword planner. All right, so here once you have this result, come over here to keyword suggestion, and then what you're going to do here is sort the suggested bid. So we want to find a low cost per click keyword. Okay, so go to the next page. Okay, so we don't want this because if let's say for example you want to spend $100, then you can go for this 1.05, then that's fine. Okay, but if you have a limited budget per day, let's say $20 as an example, so we scroll more. Foot care, okay, it's a very good keyword, but it's 90 cents a click, so we still go keep going. And so see here, foot massage near me, foot spa. Okay, so reflexology foot chart is a very good keyword. Okay, feet pain, look at this, 570, and it costs 0.38 per click. So if you are willing to pay like $40 for 100 visitors, then this keyword is fine for you. But let's go, I think we can find them lesser than that amount. Okay, look at this, foot anatomy. This is a good keyword with 608.50 monthly searches and 0.25. But it's not a high buyer intent keyword. But if you want to at least try and see whether the campaign or the product that you're promoting from Clickbank is effective, then you can use this. But let's go and find more efficient. So foot pain chart. Okay, so this means that this person, when they search this, it means that they're experiencing some kind of foot pain. So they're maybe looking for a product that could heal their pain in their foot. Okay, so this is a good one, 820 0.24, that we can find more. So this one, foot pain diagram. So again, this person may be experiencing some kind of pain in his feet. So we can try that. Let's look, keep looking. Foot pain problems, okay, it's a good keyword, 0.19. So this is a good candidate. Unfortunately, it's only got 50 monthly searches, so I don't think we will be getting a lot of impressions in this keyword. So we keep on searching. Look at this, hand, foot, mouth, 360 and 0.17. If we can find something in Clickbank that relates to this kind of keyword or problem, then we have a very good chance of selling a product from Clickbank. Okay, 360 and just cost 0.17. In 100 visitors, you will only spend $17. And I don't think in those 100 visitors, you won't be able to make a sale. At least one, you can make a sale. Okay, so let's find more. Foot pain cause. Okay, foot reflexology chart. Okay, so this is a good candidate. Look at this, 23380. Okay, let me open a notepad. All right. Okay, foot reflexology chart. This is a good one. I will grab that. And this one here got a lot of search. Foot pain cause, it's good one, but 30. Foot pain diagnosis, really good one. I can sell a product with this keyword. Okay, 550 searches, so it's decent. Okay, let's search for another foot size chart. Okay, causes severe foot pain. It's really good, but it's just 20 cents. 20 monthly searches, so we won't get any impressions in that. Charcot foot, I don't know the meaning, but it has got 3940. But you get the idea, right? So we get a generic keyword here related to foot, and then we will create a campaign based on that. And remember, choose keywords that have high volume of monthly searches. So this one, feet problem. Okay, it's a good one. Feet problem, 260. This one, look at this. I will definitely take this. Foot pain identifier chart. Okay, I think these foot bones, okay, no, not really. I think these examples are enough for this demo. So we go to Clickbank. Okay, and let's have a look at of a product related to food. Okay, so we type in here food, and okay, so this first product here, let's see, foot heel pain. Okay, so this we can match that using foot pain diagnosis, which has got a good feet problem. Okay, and these three. Okay, foot reflexology. Okay, I think all these can be related to this product. Okay, this is this hand foot mouth has a good search volume, but I think it's not related to this, so we will be using this, okay, as our example. Okay, now take this and let's have a look at this offer. Okay, looks pretty good. So $27, so you will probably get a sale out of this amount, so it's very less. So for 100 visitors that you're sending in your campaign, you'll definitely get at least one sale. Or if you send 200 visitors, at least 2 or 3 sales you will get. And every sale you get a conversion of $22, so that's a good amount of money. All right, even if you spend like I told, we will be putting 0.15 per click, so that's $15 for 100 visitors. And in those 100 visitors, let's assume you get one sale, 22.52, you will you will take a profit of $7. Okay, okay, so let's start building our campaign. So in building a campaign in Bing, make sure to use your landing page. Make sure to use a landing page. So in order to make to have a good landing page, so head over to thepagepro.com. So that is https thepagepro.com. All right, so here, okay, https thepagepro.com. So in this website you can create unlimited number of landing pages for free, and it's very easy. I'll show you in just 2 minutes. You will complete your landing page. So okay, so like this one, Java burn. Okay, so these beautiful landing pages, you can create that using thepagepro.com. All right, so it's very easy. You just click on add new landing page and just fill it up some information here. Not all the fields here are mandatory. Okay, so you just fill up few fields and click on save offer, and it will generate a landing page for you just like this. So Glucofort, beautiful landing pages. So you can create landing pages in less than 5 minutes. In 2 minutes you can complete these landing pages. The full tutorial of how you can create a landing page using thepagepro.com is in the description below. Okay, all right, and now let's say for example I'm creating one. This is for foot pain, so something like that, foot pain, and but it's foot pain, let's say foot pain reliever. Okay, and now continue to offer. So if you're confused, it's very easy to use. The tutorial is in the description below. Okay, just head over that. So here, if you want to collect an email, choose an opt-in. But if you want to just direct the visitors to your offer, just click normal. All right, and then here, show the bullet point and show the article section. Okay, so this one is the app link that you will get from Clickbank. So generate that. Okay, copy the app link and then paste it here. And then here, really, let's take a look at the offer here. Science has finally revealed instant fasciitis pain relief in just 7 days. So we can grab that. Okay, and then let's go to our landing page. So put that and the header section. So here we take some items here. Okay, find out how to get rid of your foot pain for one. So this sales page doesn't have that much information, but it's fine. We can just take some minimal amount of information just for an example. Okay, okay, and then here the header you can do like that. All right, and then okay, we choose a color here. So let's say we offers will be blue. All right, and then our heading and then the bullet points like so if you want to get information in the bullet points, go head over to this will assist you to create your landing page and your campaign, the Textify.com. So just remember these two websites will be very helpful for your affiliate marketing. So when you go to https Textify.com, so you will land into this page and it will give you idea on what you will be putting on your landing page. So like for example, so here in blog tools, it's originally for creating a blog post, but you can use this also for completing your landing page. So let's say your topic is about so give me idea on blog idea, let's say foot pain relieving or curing foot pain. All right, generate. Okay, and then it will give you this one, natural remedies of food. So it depends on which product, but this is just an example. Okay, so I think this one, for example, you can put that in your bullet point section. And then this one, just take an image from Google. Let's say I'm going to take a image related to foot pain, so I'll go to Google. Okay, and then I'll type in foot pain. Okay, then go to images, so just collect some nice image here. I think this one we can use this, and then save that image. Save image. All right, and let's save that here in the downloads. Okay, save that. And what you can do here is go to your landing page, and this one here you can store all the images that you are going to use for your landing page. So just browse that. So here, this one here, upload that, and then just take the file name. Okay, copy, and then paste it over here. All right, and then you save it, and there you go. You will have a beautiful landing page. So if you want to view the example, so look at this. So we created this in less than like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and these are all just example. You can modify this, and when you continue to offer, you will go to your offer. Okay, so the article section, if you want to put some small article regarding that, you can do it here. So again, let's go over to the Texify.com. 5 natural way. Okay, let's say this is our article. Okay, let's use this as an example. Okay, and then again in the Textify. So since this is, so what you're going to do is a compose blog paragraph, paste your compose blog paragraph, and can paste your keyword over here. And here, look at this. Very nice. This is perfect for what you're looking for. Copy that, and then go again to your landing page creator, and then use that. Okay, then what we can do here is there is some instruction here to split the text if you want it to be on the next to the image. So but at this time I don't think I'll do that. So here you can use a different image. You can get another image from Google or from the sales page, but this, in this example, I'll just copy whatever we have here. So just to show you, again, save offer. And when you view your landing page, refresh that, as you can see, you have a convincing landing page. So this is what I'm talking about. So here we can put this number 3 below the image. So what we can do here, come back here and go over to the article. So yeah, just use this split, and next to number 2, save that and refresh. All right, it's really looking great. You can change this image. Okay, so this is an example of your landing page, which you can directly promote to in using Microsoft Bing ads, which we are going to start now. So just copy the URL. So go to your all landing pages. So this is the new landing page that we have created. So just copy this. This is the one we're going to promote. Okay, make sure you create a landing page before creating a campaign in Microsoft Bing ads, in order for you to prevent your account from being banned. Okay, because if you are directly linking offer from Microsoft Bing ads to Clickbank, you get a higher chance of your account getting banned. Okay, so let's head over. So what we do here is click on create offer, and then click visit my website, search ads, click on next. Okay, so let's say your budget for day is $20, so let's say $50. Okay, and this offer is about foot pain. All right, so this one, let's say $20 if you have limited budget. And of course, I'm using AUD, so let's assume this is USD. But for AUD, this will be like around 20. For AUD, this will be around 20, but 25. But let's assume this is USD, so you put 20. And here, just choose United States. United States and Canada. So in my case, I always choose this country because most of the times I get sales from these 2 countries. And untick this, and then click on save and go to next page. And then URL, you can leave that blank. And this one, food pain, the ad group, you just say generic keyword. Okay, and then we copy the keywords that we got from here. All right, so these are cheap keywords that we can get a very less amount of visitor per click. So just save that, and now it's time to create our ad. And again, here when I'm creating ad, I choose expanded text and then the URL. Okay, we go to Page Pro, the URL that we have created, go into our landing page, and then paste it here. And then what? Okay, so in order for you to get assistance in what headline will be adding in your ad as well, go back to the textify.com, and here you have ad assistance. So you can generate ads headline here, food pain, and then compose headline. So here, look at this. Perfect for our say goodbye to food pain forever. So you can modify that accordingly to match that in the Clickbank offer. So this is just an example for this demo. Okay, let's say you have that, and okay, the second one, head over again to uh, food pain. We can help. Okay, just take that. You can generate more if you want to, if you want another version. And then again, the add text here, you can get assistance again using the textify.com. So come here and then adds description. Again, use food pain, the keyword of your product. Click on compose description. All right, so if you're experiencing food pain, so our it can help you, so you can just replace that with the product. Okay, so in this example, just grab that. Okay, if you're experiencing our what's this, what's our instant plantar, so this is the product. I think our instant plantar pain reliever can help you, so we can copy that, and our this one pain reliever can help. Okay, and then okay, let's go back to the Textify. We including relieve your pain and get back on your feet. Okay, so we can take this. I think this is a good one. All right. Okay, done. Our campaign is done, and as together with our landing page. So in less than 10 minutes, we can set up a landing page, and of course, we can set up our campaign with the help of the pagepro.com. So this is the pagepro.com and the textify.com to assist us in all the content. Okay, so these two websites will be really helpful for your marketing, affiliate marketing. Okay, and these two websites are free. Okay, now let's save that. So just remove that, save that. Oh, okay, so goodbye. So there's an extra goodbye to put pain forever. Okay, can do that. Let's save that, and this is what I'm going to show you. Okay, here. Okay, so in this one, you can estimate how many visitors you can have with these keywords that you get. Okay, so here we will just bid if you're willing to pay $20 for 100 visitors. So just take that and look at this, 713 estimated monthly. So don't worry about this. 713 is a good number even if it says monthly. So this one, in my experience, if this number comes, so I get like around 50 to 60 visitors per day. Okay, in my experience. So here this is just an estimate, but you will get 3 times more than this number, 3 or 4 times this number. So it means these keywords will give us lots of clicks. Okay, and yeah, so set that. So if we increase that, let's say 30, so you'll get more. All right, look at that, look at these numbers. So we don't need that. So because if we have a limited budget, let's say we only willing to pay $20 for 100 visitors, so just keep it 20 cents per visitor, and you'll get a good amount of numbers. So this is the most important thing. Okay, so this one will give you estimate. This is estimated monthly clicks, but you this is just a being as estimate, but based on my experience, the volume of this will be ×3 of this number. All right, and then once you complete that, make sure you go to here, add distribution, and select this, so we will get quality visitors. Okay, and then hit on save. When I save this, they will your campaign will be pending, and Microsoft Ads will approve your campaign in like 1 business day or in just less than 24 hours based on my experience. Okay, so that's it, that's about it, guys. So hopefully you get some idea on how you can start your affiliate marketing in this video. So just if you I know some of the people quite really want to earn money online, but don't know how to start. So this is how you can start. So build your landing page using the pagepro.com. In less than 5 minutes you can build your landing page, and use, if you are, you know, thinking where to get the content, so use the textify.com, and of course get your product from Clickbank. Okay, and just like what I showed you, how you can get a generic keyword from Keyword Planner, Microsoft Bing Ads. So just stay tuned. I will be adding more videos related to this kind of generic keywords that you can get a very less amount of dollar per click. Okay, so that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.